Welcome to our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is music. Okay, but before that, I want to show you some pictures. Okay, picture number one, picture number two. Okay, class, I want I want you to identify what do they have in common. Okay, they are both playing instruments. Am I right? The first picture is playing a piano, while the second picture is playing a guitar. Okay, so today we will learn one of the basics of how musicians or composers do beautiful music. Okay? Okay, so in order to do beautiful music, they are, of course, doing the lyrics. Aside from the lyrics, they are doing, of course, the chords or the notes or the rest. Okay, so we will learn today is all about musical signs and symbols. Again, musical signs and symbols. First musical sign is the staff. The staff has 5 straight lines and 4 spaces. 5 straight lines and 4 spaces. Notes are written in each line and space. Okay, usually you can see notes and rest in each line or in each spaces. Okay, next is the ledger line. A short line added above or below the staff to extend the notes or pitches added above or below it. So, the ledger line is the extension of the staff, okay? Or the extension so that you can put extra notes or extra rest in each ledger lines. Okay, again, this is what you call the ledger lines. Next is the bar lines. The bar lines are lines used to divide or separate measure. Okay, it separates or divides measure. Okay, so you can identify what measure is in this part or what measure is in this part. Okay, next is double bar lines. It's used to separate two sections of music or indicates a change in key signature. So, it indicates the changes of key signature from this one to this one. Okay? Remember this, double bar lines. Next is bold double bar line. It is used to indicate the conclusion or end of a movement. Okay? It is the indication that the song is already finished or the movement is already finished. Again, this is the bold double bar lines. Okay, next is brace. It connects two or more lines of music played simultaneously and a keyboard or other instrument. For example, this line is playing a keyboard while this line is playing a guitar. So when you see a brace, you can identify that they are both connected and they are playing simultaneously. Next is the G clef or what they call the treble clef. The treble clef is this one, okay? Don't be confused. This is just the scale of the G clef. It has the note C or Do on the first ledger line below the staff and on the third space. Okay, where's the ledger line? As you can see, this is a ledger line. Okay, and the third space. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and this is the third space. Okay, next is the F clef. F clef has a note C or Do on the second space. Okay, second space. Where's the second space? 1, two, first space and second space. Okay, this is the start of the C or Do in an F clef. This is an F clef. Okay, now let's see the parts of a note. Okay, first part is the flag and the stem. This is what you call the stem, and the note head. When two notes are connected or two quarter notes are connected, they are seen like this. They usually look like this. And this part is what they call beam. Okay? Okay, now let's identify the kinds of notes and rests. Alright? First is the whole note. The picture of a whole note is like this, okay? And the whole rest is like this. It's like a cap, okay? But mind you, class, this part is not a part of the rest. It's a part of the staff. The box only here is the rest. And the time value of a whole note is 4 beats. And next is half note. This is the picture of a half note and the picture of a half rest, and both have 2 beats. Next is a quarter note. This is the picture of a quarter note. As you can see, it's different from a half note. The half note has an open note head, while a quarter note has a closed note head and has a stem. Okay, and this is a quarter rest. It's like a standing M, and they both have 1 beat. Next is the 8th note. 8th note has a hook or a flag. Okay, and while the 8th rest, it looks like a number 7, and both have 1/2 beat. Okay. Next is the 16th note. This time, the 16th note has 2 hooks or flags. And the 16th rest has 2 sticks also. Okay? And both have 1/4 beat. Okay, now that we know the different kinds of notes, I want to test your skills, your identification skills of each kinds of notes. Okay? Identify what kind of note or rest is in the staff. Okay, what note is this? What note is this, class? This is a quarter note. How about this one? It has a flag or a hook, right? It is it's a 8th note. And how about this one? It's a half note. Okay, this one, this is a whole rest. Okay, next. How about this one? Oh, this one. Again, this is a half note. And this one, quarter note. And this one is a whole note. And how about this one? This is a 16th rest. And this one, a half rest.